Hello, my name is Chen Zhu. Today I want to introduce two email books, Gmail and Outlook, and talk about their advantages and disadvantages. I hope this video can give you some help when you want to use them. First, a simple user interface is significant for email books. Most users want email books can provide a simple user interface to help them reading and writing emails. First, I will talk about Outlook. The background color of Outlook is blue and white. This gives users a feeling of clear and refreshing. Also, in the user interface, it places the icon for the main function to the left of the user interface. Also, Outlook chose to leave half of the space blank and did not fill the entire interface. For the Gmail's background color is white and red. It gives me the feeling of clear with a little active. Different from Outlook, Gmail chooses to use the interface space more efficient. It shows as much information as possible. At least for me, the Outlook gives a better user experience. For user interface, I like the simpler interface. Secondly, the most important function is writing and reading emails for an email books. For writing email, Outlook provides a completely writing function, and I also can send some files in attachment. Gmail's writing function has been simplified. It looks like a smartphone chatting app. Although it's simple, but it provides more functions than Outlook. For example, it can sending or receive money by GPay. It's very useful. And about receiving and reading emails, both Gmail and Outlook classified emails. This is a great function. Now I want to show you my personal emails as an example. This is my personal email for Outlook. Outlook about classified emails. Outlook do the better job. It classifies emails to focus and others. All the important emails are in the focus, and the useless or the advertisement email have been classified to the others. But for the Gmail, it doesn't implement this function where all the emails had been received in the primary box. The social box, it's only the original two emails in it.